Yeah? We are publishing data to the website every 5 minutes. My name is Florian Kröner and I'm Head of Portfolio Management Web at Balluff. Balluff is a manufacturer of components and solutions for factory automation. So we are doing sensors, networking stuff like this one, and RFID systems, vision solutions, all that kind of stuff for factory automation. So wherever something is manufactured, like cars, white goods, semiconductors, you name it, yeah, Balluff has the right solutions for that. The company Balluff was founded over 100 years ago. It's still family owned, but today we are present in over 60 countries and have 38 own subsidiaries. And yeah, there's a total of around 4,000 people working for Balluff. Our target with STEP was to have a solution that really, or the first target, yeah, was to have a solution that really provides the same consistent data into all our communication channels. Balluff really had a data transformation journey. We started with providing all the data consistently into our communication channels, so beginning with the website and then adding more and more channels to it, like customer-specific catalogs, BME catalogs for big distributors, for example, to really have one source and a unified communication into the market. One example of a great solution that we achieved with STEP is the datasheet production. So imagine Balluff has around 60,000 components, and each of them has a datasheet in 17 languages. So in the past we produced all those PDFs with InDesign Server, and it took us a major change of all the datasheets, could take us up to 4 weeks to process. And today we are running a PDF renderer based on STEP and produce datasheets on demand, so a change is productive for us within a couple of minutes. And now we are adding knowledge management on top of that. So the idea to add knowledge management to STEP was actually created internally, and it's maybe not an obvious choice. But for Balluff it kind of is, because in our service and support team, where the knowledge is needed to help our customers, they also need a lot of product information. And we can just link the knowledge information to these products and make it available. So we moved to the SaaS environment 3 years ago. And for me, the main deciding factors were that we now have one solution out of one hand. With the SaaS environment, actually, we were able to meet all the requirements that our IT security department had. And also, if we're having new stuff like two-factor authentication, it's in one platform and I don't have to care about it individually. Now the next thing we are going to explore is content creation with AI support. And this will make content creation a lot faster, a lot more efficient. Together with a strong team at Stibo Systems and MSG, our implementation partner, we are able to provide really great solutions to Balluff and offer a real value to the company.